everyone, my name is Mohamad Akmal Hakim bin Zulkispili 273616.
And I, Nurul Qamarina Azwa Binti Hussin, metric number is 271456.
Today, we want to talk about COVID-19. COVID-19, or the specific name is coronavirus. Coronavirus is come from Latin words that meaning is crown. The name of the corona is given because the structure of the virus cells like a crown when viewed using a microscope. The coronavirus was discovered for the first time in 1960 after the bird flu virus became associated with the virus and subsequently infected human respiratory tract. Coronavirus is a family of viruses that can cause mild to moderate respiratory tract diseases, such as common cold, severe acute respiratory syndrome, SARS, and Middle Eastern respiratory syndrome, MERS. Now, the outbreak of the coronavirus has spread after an infection originated in a wet market in Wuhan, China. So, because of that, WHO has given it a new name with the addition of a novel word that meaning is new or rare. The virus is found to be spreading at a high rate of infection in 2019. According to the case, WHO officially given it the name COVID-19. Nowadays, every continent of the world has been infected with this highly contagious disease, with nearly 1 million cases diagnosed in overseas countries around of the world. The common denominator among those who affected by the virus in China is the level of exposure at the Huanan seafood market in Wuhan. Researchers believe that the new virus may be mutated from the common coronavirus in animals that live into human in the Wuhan market. When an infected person coughs or sneezes, the new coronavirus may be transmitted through expelled droplets. These droplets can enter a person's system through contact routes, such as the mouth, eyes, or nose. It is also possible for the droplets to be inhaled into the lungs. Another way the virus is infected is by touching virus surface. The National Institute of Health website states the virus that causes COVID-19 is stable for several hours to days in aerosol and on surface. Furthermore, the scientists found that coronavirus was detectable on aerosols for up to 3 hours, up to 4 hours on copper, up to 24 hours on cardboard, and up to 2 to 3 days on plastic and stainless steel. Many safety precautions should be taken by everyone to prevent virus infection. For example, everyone must wash your hands thoroughly for at least 20 seconds with soap and hot water. This is very important for someone after sneezing or coughing, before eating and preparing food, and after going to the bathroom. After that, the government also needed to implement the Movement Control Order (MCO) even there is a lack of government to control it. Admittedly, export and import were limited, causing that our economy is affected and our country income is declining. Nevertheless, on the other hand, export and imports maybe take a very high risk because it involves overseas. Most important, COVID cannot only spread by the touch of hand, but it also can spread by any item. Thus, it is important for the Movement Control Order (MCO) to be continued. so that the government can do their job effectively.
Yes, Akmal, I agree with you. Let me add as well further the effect of this issue. It is true that the Movement Control Order or MCO should be continued, but there is a lack of government to control it. Let's see another side. Opposing view claim that the Movement Control Order or MCO not should be continued because many of job and people's income are very affected. Of course, people need to get out of their home to earn income and work for family. Otherwise, they had to save and limit spending for long periods of time. While this is true, it is not important because we need to care about health and safety first. It is important for the MCO to be continued so we can make us familiarize with the normal life for to help settle the COVID-19 pandemic. We can see that the effect of this MCO for us, especially the who poor and less capable, they cannot survive their life naturally, but life their life will be affected and they will become stressed with the problem. We may well hear from the another side that MCO should not be continued because of many people are affected with that. This is because there are 42% people are affected by their jobs. Not only the job are affected, the economy also affected by MCO. Many people around the world were facing poverty. This is because when they run MCO, they cannot go out of their way to make a living and their income is depleted. People also can say that not all of us can reflect on the task of Allah is giving us. This is because not all of us can look at positive side of His test. This is true. If we want the positive vibes, we must be patient and think that every test must have a good meaning behind it. In conclusion, there are three reasons why the MCO is necessary. First, it can allow the government to do their job effectively. Second, it can make us familiarize ourselves with the new normal way of life. And lastly, we can reflect on the test that Allah is giving us. There are three reasons why I agree that MCO should be continued. So let's obey and follow the rules by the government clearly as we can settle this problem and survive a better life in the future.